everyone, welcome to my new video. In today's video, I'm going to try some very interesting makeup. The links of all the makeup are in the description box. So the first one is a microblading eyebrow tattoo pencil. My eyebrow without makeup is half. My mom told me when I was a baby, my eyebrows actually looked very pretty when I was a baby, but my mom listened to other people to shave off my eyebrow, so the end of my eyebrow never grow back. She felt sad because of that mistake. I'm okay with it. I can just draw eyebrow. So before I wanted getting microblading eyebrow, but I changed my mind. I don't want to have a permanent eyebrow shape, then I can't change it. Right now we have the microblading eyebrow pencil. So this eyebrow pencil is very interesting. So the tip looks like a blade. It's also waterproof. The color is dark brown. The good thing is you cannot wipe it off. Other eyebrow pencil, you can just remove it very easily, right? If I use this eyebrow pencil, I don't need the eyebrow fixer. I didn't do my eyebrow good. Looks like my eyebrows are going down. It's not straight and it's not curved. Maybe because it was my first time using it. It's kind of hard to use it, but I really love the color. The color looks very natural. It's blending with my real eyebrow. It's not too dark, it's not too light. The color is just right. Some eyebrow pencil really dark. I didn't apply the eyebrow fixer, so look, the color is not coming off. I don't need an eyebrow fixer. It's definitely long lasting. This color is very close to my eyebrow, right? The color is very light, so you will not worry about you apply too much eyebrow pencil, make the eyebrow look like worms. Do you know what I mean? Like worms. So it's very easy to control because the color is very light, so you need to draw like several times. I'm not sure how long this pen will last. It's my first time using it because the color is very light, so I'm kind of worried this pen will run out of ink soon. I hope it will last long. So the next one I'm going to try is the eyeliner stamp. So this is the size of pen. It's kind of big. So it has the two ends. So one end is the eyeliner and another end is the stamp. And the stamp is the wing shape stamp. I'll try it here. It's very smooth when you draw the line and the color will not smudge. Look, it stays on. So the tip is not too hard and it's not too soft. It was my first time using the stamp. It was easy to use. I didn't make mistakes. I think the wing is not long enough for me. I like to draw long wing, and I think the wing is a little bit too wide for me. I prefer thinner wings. You can see that the wing look very neat, but I think it's a little bit wide. So the front tip is also very easy to draw the bottom lashes. So this eye stamp got pretty good reviews. So if you are a beginner, this one will suit you. It's very easy to draw the wing. So for me, the wing stamp is not long enough, so I need to extend my eyeliner. I highly recommend this one. To complete today's makeup, I'll also use glitter. Those glitters are cosmetic glitters. Because my eyelid is not wide, so it's hard to see the glitter. the glitter all inside. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I highly recommend the eyeliner stamp. Bye bye, I will see you in next video soon.